labor and employment. The allocation to the labor and employment is rupees 115.54 crores. Speaker sir, for the upliftment of the unorganized sector in the state of Goa, I propose to provide unorganized sector management system, a single unified marketplace to the unorganized sector where the citizen will be able to avail the services of this sector at their doorstep, whereas the unorganized sector will have an increased opportunity of employment. Speaker sir, in order to facilitate ease of registration for the laborers and unified database, I proposed to develop an online portal where the Goa labor card will be issued on solely based on the Aadhaar at a nominational fees, on a nominal fees, sorry. This card will be the mandatory for all laborers working in the state. Speaker sir, in order to support the entrepreneurs and boost employment in Goa, I will reintroduce Mukhyamantri Modified Interest Rebate Scheme, where an additional 2% of the interest rebate will be given to companies who employ more than 20 Goans in their establishment, taking the cumulative rebates of 9% reimbursed by the government.